Hi, welcome to Rouzati Rugs. In this video, I'll be focusing on Turkmen rugs. Now, Turkmen rugs come from Turkmenistan, and they're very unique in the sense that they have generally a lot of geometric patterns going on. They're known for this type of octagonal pattern, which is known as a repetitive gold pattern that goes throughout the rug. And in general, they carry a lot of brown rust tones and red tones as well. Generally, Turkmen rugs are woven with a nice fine weave on the back, and as you can see, they have really unique borders like the skirt going on here at the end. Now this is a really unique rug. This is a Turkmen Yamut rug with a prayer design that's directional going this way, and you have the niche right here at the top. But what makes this rug so special is the fringe right here that's interlocking. In general, Turkmen rugs have a lot of cultural significance, especially within families. Oftentimes they're given as gifts, and this specific rug was given as a dowry gift to the bride, and you can tell because the fringe right here is interlocking, where you have the two sides interlocking together and being joined together in marriage. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Rouzati Rugs. And don't forget to check out our blog on rouzatirugs.com, where we share some great information about rugs in general. Thanks for watching.